Marshville Blue Jays. Today we have a new cameraman or camerawoman today. It's Lacey Bosch that came home for Easter and she's videoing me. So hi Lacey. She's probably going to be an improvement from the old cameraman. So it's lights, action, camera, right? That's what you need to say. Okay. Anyway, so here, this is what you all need to know anyway. We don't have our red and our green buckets, but this is just hot soapy water. And I've sanitized everything. You can just make it on your own. This is bleach water, and of course you know it's cold water, that way that the fumes don't evaporate into the air. And we don't have the little tabs to make sure we have 50 parts per million. But if it gets too much bleach, it's too much. And you can pretty much estimate. We used to do 10 drops per bucket, 3/4 full. Anyway, so I've washed and sanitized everything. So today we're going to make armadillo eggs. Later you can go to the next YouTube video. But right now we're going to make the rub that we're going to use. It's a sweet rub that we're going to use for smoking. Anyway, so the cameraman would zoom in over here. So this is the sweet rub, okay? This is by Susie Bullock, and she has a really good website. But anyway, so this is also, if you're on Classroom for Marshville High School, this will be uploaded. But anyway, just for all my YouTube followers that don't have that, I'm sure I'm getting quite a few followers. Okay, here's what we got. So we've got a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, but you can use any kind of salt. You need to zoom in. Can you zoom in? Don't you know how to zoom in?
I zoomed in as far as it'll go.
Okay, well, do I need to come closer to you?
I just need to get closer to the thing. Okay, they can read it now.
All right. So the last time I did this, I wrote in really big letters. I guess I should get it closer to you over there. Can they see it now?
Mm-hmm.
So 1/4 cup brown sugar, tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoons cracked black pepper, 2 teaspoons paprika. And I just had paprika here at the house like I used for potato salad, and deviled eggs, which it's Easter. We should be doing that this weekend. But if you have smoked paprika, we have that at school. I just, everything's at school. I can't go get it. Some of these specialty items are wonderful to go to Mama Jean's and just buy a little bit of. It's fresh. You can pay a minimal amount. 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, a teaspoon ground mustard, and a half teaspoon cayenne pepper. And you just mix it all together. It's so simple. So I'm going to do that here. So you can back up, Miss Bosch. Here we go. Don't trip. Okay, so here's a bowl here. Okay, so Mrs. Hyde, you all know Mrs. Hyde, my teacher across the hall. She watched my videos and she just said I'm talking with my head down too much. So I'm going to have to lift up this chin here and pay attention. So it's very simple. Brown sugar, sea salt. I didn't have coarse sea salt, so I'm just putting it in there. Oh, did you guys miss that? It didn't go in here. Okay, so the reason it didn't go in here is because it's packed brown sugar. That's another lesson. If it was just granulated sugar, I would have just scooped it off, right? But I packed it, and that's the appropriate way. So I'm going to get this in here. Okay, so anyway, 2 teaspoons cracked pepper, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, but I don't have any. Okay. 2 teaspoons garlic powder, onion powder, ground mustard, and then cayenne pepper. So here we go. The only problem is going to be that this brown sugar could be lumpy. Everything else is going to mix together really well. And you know that in everything that we always do, dry ingredients usually always get mixed together. And then the liquids do too. So anyway, this is the rub. And stick around. We're going to do smoked armadillo eggs. And this is because of Mr. Henry's request. I asked some of the school people what they wanted me to make. And this is one of them for dear Mr. Henry. Also, if you guys don't have a smoker at home, we're going to show you in a little while how to smoke meat on just a regular grill. And that's a cut, that's a wrap.